What's up, YouTube? Welcome to More Trade. This is another quick update on Solana. If you've seen my other video, I was talking about a significant level that Solana needs to get above. And if we get above, I gave you a target. If you haven't, then watch the previous video. Before I get into it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the likes, and join the free Discord where I post my updates, and I do post trade setups sometimes, trade ideas of what I'm doing and what I think of the markets, even when I don't post videos. Okay, getting into it, Solana has broken above that level, and at the moment it found resistance at around the 18.642, and we are moving down correctively. How do I know we are moving down correctly? Going to the higher time frame, we can see that the move down isn't really volume supported. It's going down in very low volume, so there is another pump to the upside possibly coming very soon. Now, why did we stall at 18.634? I want to do that by going left, and I'll show you what I think. As you can see, 18.64 was a level where we wicked 18.583 before. We wicked there, and we are stalling over there. Now, what does Solana have to do to reverse this trend, at least for the short term? Now, going here to this chart and looking back what happened here, we had moved down in a wave 3 from the highs over here. When Solana was coming down, we came down in a 3, and then we bounced off up in a fourth wave, which peaked at $18.9. Now, after that, what has happened is we were in a fifth wave, and possibly the fifth wave was done down here, and we're moving up. If Solana is able, now hear what I'm saying clearly, if Solana is able to break and trade above the $19 range, then it is essentially reversing this wave 4. We could have a wave 4 that in the final, this was a wave down. We could have an A wave down to the low here and a B wave up, and then B wave may overshoot the A wave. It happens rarely, and then we come down to C. But the higher probability is that if we overshoot the A wave or the fourth wave, then there is a slight short-term trend reversal, and if we are able to trade above it, that doesn't mean the low is in, but it gives you more of an idea that we may have more probabilities that the low may be in, and we may be trading up in a first wave 1, and we may come down in a retracement, possibly even to the $11 range, and then we go. That's if the trend has reversed, then that retracement to the lower levels, that would give you a better entry for third wave up, which essentially isn't the shortest wave and can be the longest wave. So that's my idea about Solana. Levels to the downside, I wouldn't want to see Solana below the 17.9 or $17 range, and it would be worse if it's below the $16 range. For now, I think it has a bit more juice in the tank. It may take us to the $19 range, and it would be interesting to see what Solana does there. If it's going to break it, I expect it to break it in volume, but if it comes up in very low volume and just wicks, then I would think we may be going down again. All right, that's all my update for Solana. Hope you liked it. Hit the likes if you did, and subscribe to the channel, and join the free Discord where I post my trade setups and trade ideas sometimes. And even when I'm not posting videos, I do that. And watch my previous Solana video for further more in-depth TA about Solana. That's it. More trades, I'm out.